This submitter was headed to Washington, D.C. with his mother during heavy rain when he started hydroplaning and lost control. The Tesla slid across 2 lanes and into the median, then hit a tree before stopping. Our submitter's phone summoned first responders automatically, and thankfully, a law enforcement officer that had been following a few miles behind stopped and checked on him even before the dispatched officers responded. When paramedics arrived, they checked on our submitter and his mother. Thankfully, they weren't injured. A tow truck ended up hauling the wrecked Tesla away. Our submitter filed an insurance claim the next day, and his insurance provider quickly decided to total his Tesla after the initial repair estimate climbed to $16,000 US. He doesn't know what caused the loss of control to occur, but he did tell us his tires were near their end of life, and he even had new tires on order that were scheduled to arrive just a week later. His insurance provider wrote him a check for $31,000, which he immediately spent on a used Model 3. Oddly enough, we can actually spot a trailer full of Teslas being transported in our submitter's Teslacam footage. Jeremy was exiting a parking lot when he witnessed a motorcycle rider nearly get decapitated by flying groceries. Jeremy thinks the driver of the truck leaving the grocery store didn't notice the biker at first, then slammed on the brakes when she spotted him. The flying food just missed the motorcyclist, and the outcome could have been totally different if he'd been riding by just a half second later. Eric was taking his children to school when the driver of a pickup truck ahead of him fell asleep before veering into oncoming traffic and striking another vehicle head-on. Lots of construction workers rushed over to help, and thankfully the victim was able to get out of her vehicle uninjured. After confirming that everyone was okay, Eric continued so his kids wouldn't be late for school. Anthony was driving home with his daughter when he suddenly saw emergency lights flashing and a police SUV blocking the road before someone jumped the guardrail and went sliding down the hill. He told us he didn't notice until he watched the video later that the guy in the orange shirt had initially put his hands up, but then he made a run for it. He tried searching news sites, arrest records, and 911 call logs, but he never found out the story behind this strange occurrence. He did, however, want to shout out his Tesla bestie, John. He hopes John is watching, and so do we. Don't forget to subscribe, John. Our next submitter is a rideshare driver. He was giving a pleasant ride to a passenger and listening to him talk about his time living in London. When they reached the destination, the passenger was having difficulty getting out of his Tesla, so he offered to help. The passenger eventually did get out of the car, very slowly, before violently slamming the door shut. Our submitter lowered the window and asked why he'd done that, but the passenger came back and threatened him. Our submitter just told him he didn't want any trouble. Once he'd gone, our submitter reported the passenger to his rideshare service and included a copy of his Teslacam footage. NK was heading to work in Berkeley, California when he spotted a disabled vehicle blocking the 2 leftmost lanes of the highway. NK told us he didn't realize part of the vehicle's tire and axle was actually in his lane, and he was only barely able to avoid a collision after noticing it at the last second. He immediately called the California Highway Patrol to report the situation, and they told him they were already aware of it and dealing with it. When NK arrived at work, he talked to a coworker who'd been driving by when the collision happened. He told NK 3 men jumped out of the car and immediately fled the scene. Maybe that's why the CHP was already aware of what was going on. NK also has an aftermarket dashcam which captured the audio of his Tesla struggling to maintain traction. Speaking of dashcams, don't forget to check out our other channel, Wham Baam Dashcam, where we feature videos from dashcams on all vehicles. If you like Wham Baam Teslacam, you'll definitely enjoy Wham Baam Dashcam too. That wasn't the only abandoned vehicle we'll be showing you this week. This video from Austin is even more shocking. He encountered a wrecked vehicle in the middle of the road on his way to work, and he managed to brake in time to avoid colliding with it before trying to see if he could help out. Austin turned around so he could flash his headlights to warn other drivers of the vehicle blocking the road. He then went to check on the occupants of the vehicle, but that's when he discovered it was completely empty. All the airbags had deployed, but there was no sign of intelligent life anywhere. Austin notified the authorities, and an emergency operator asked him to remain and continue warning other drivers of the obstacle. When police arrived, they searched the vehicle and came to the same conclusion that Austin had. It was a ghost car. Officers immediately began searching the area for the driver, even checking below the bridge in case they jumped, but they couldn't find any leads at all. Austin has theorized that someone may have been driving drunk, then fled on foot after wrecking their car. What do you think happened? Post your guess in the comments below. Corey was exiting the Fulbright Expressway when an SUV flew past him before smashing into 2 lanes of traffic. Corey told us the SUV didn't hit any other vehicles, but it did collide with a barrier, and this caused several other vehicles on the highway to collide with each other. He also said the occupants of the SUV were an older couple. He contacted the Arkansas State Police and offered them a copy of his Teslacam footage. This submitter was driving his Model 3 in the carpool lane with a pickup riding his bumper, even though he told us he was already exceeding the speed limit by at least 10 miles per hour. The pickup driver started passing our submitter on the right, but he needed to merge over to reach an upcoming exit, so he sped up and changed lanes. The pickup driver took this maneuver personally, so she cut in front of the Tesla and slammed on her brakes. The trigger driver then sped back up while our submitter stayed in the rightmost lane waiting for his exit. But if you thought the story ended there, think again. When our submitter began taking the exit, the immature pickup driver cut across multiple lanes to get in front of him before stopping and waiting for him on the shoulder. Just as our submitter approached, the challenged pickup driver pulled in front of him to brake check him again. This time, our submitter made an evasive maneuver and slipped around the reckless child before speeding off. Even though both drivers then pulled up to a red light, it seems like the pickup driver learned her lesson and backed off, probably too scared to get into a physical confrontation. Sentry was trying a new restaurant when a big pickup truck came out of nowhere and nearly struck his Tesla Model 3. To top it all off, the pickup driver actually had a reserved parking space right next to the entrance. Employees even moved a sign so he could park there. So who is this mystery VIP, you may wonder? None other than Shaquille O'Neal. Sentry was actually visiting Shaq's own restaurant for the grand opening, but he had no idea Shaq would show up himself. As you can imagine, this caused quite the commotion. He also told us Shaq took photos with his fans, which was surreal. Here's a photo he took with Sentry. When he left the restaurant, he discovered that the pickup wasn't a Ford Super Duty, it was actually a Shaq Duty. The man visible in this Tesla's front-facing Teslacam is actually our submitter, and he was standing at the entrance of a store when he activated the summon feature so his car would come pick him up. He told us the map on the app showed that the Tesla should have driven straight out of the parking spot before turning left, avoiding the Volkswagen parked next to it. Instead, it immediately turned left unexpectedly, colliding with the VW. By the time our submitter saw what had happened, it was too late for him to release the button and stop the Tesla. This video was recorded in late August, just days before actually Smart Summon was released, which is the latest version of the Smart Summon feature. The worst part was that when our submitter logged into his insurance provider's website to get his insurance information for the VW driver, he discovered that his policy hadn't automatically renewed and he was uninsured. Now he's stuck paying for the damage to both vehicles out of his own pocket. To make things even more difficult, he's been out of work since January. Thankfully, he told us he has an emergency fund just for such unforeseeable events. Even so, wrecking 2 cars while being unemployed may be more than he'd been prepared to pay for. Fixing his Tesla will cost $6,400 and he doesn't know yet how much it will cost to repair the VW. The driver still has a hard time believing he'll pay for the damage himself and keeps calling Tesla Insurance for updates. But our submitter never had insurance coverage through Tesla. What a mess. Good luck to our submitter on getting everything sorted out. Mark spotted the Batmobile. Wait a second, is it being towed by a Cybertruck? I knew it! Elon Musk has been Bruce Wayne this whole time! Mark spotted this unusual combination of vehicles while driving over the Columbia River Bridge that joins Washington and Oregon. If you have any idea why the Cybertruck would be towing the Batmobile, post it in the comments. Speaking of cool cars, check out this video from Charlie, who was waiting at a traffic signal in Bondi Beach, Australia. No, not that van. What even is this? Rent-a-hubby? That can't be legal. No, not the Fiat 500 either. There it is. Charlie told us he freaked out when he spotted one of the most expensive vehicles on the road in Australia. If you know what it is, post the answer in the comments and claim your bragging rights. David was on his way home from a birthday party when he got caught in the middle of two road-raging drivers who ended up colliding. It all started when David was passing slower traffic in the left lane and getting ready to take an exit on the left. Suddenly, he noticed the headlights of a rapidly approaching truck coming up behind him, so he merged to the center lane to allow it to pass him. As the truck pulled up next to David, it slowed down to match his speed instead of passing him. When he looked around to figure out why, he noticed another vehicle tailgating the truck. The driver brake-checked the other vehicle, then continued matching David's speed to prevent it from passing. That was when David realized he was unknowingly acting as a rolling roadblock in a road rage incident. At this point, David was getting close to his exit, so he accelerated so he could merge back into the left lane. The two other drivers then started leapfrogging and brake-checking each other over and over again. Both of the other drivers took the same exit before the driver of the car slammed on the brakes and the truck rear-ended it. David had his family with him and didn't want to stop to check on the two drivers. He kept going, and a couple of miles later, he reached his exit. Suddenly, the car passed him on the off-ramp with a considerable amount of rear-end damage. It then passed another vehicle before blasting through a red light. David called the police the next day and offered them his Teslacam footage. After what happened, I don't think either of the involved drivers could claim victory. The truth is, nobody wins in a road rage incident. If you need more proof, watch this video from Wham Baam Security Cam featuring a driver who started road raging after smashing into several vehicles. And don't forget to subscribe while you're at it.